You're gonna have a random word on your back, and you're gonna ask questions to others. Yes or no questions. Each one question in one time. And
brown, the color.
はい。
チョコレートですか？
はい、そうです。So that's how you get the word. She asked the question, これはチョコレートですか? And then we say yes, and then that's you how, that's the end of the game. And yeah, so the first question will be either if it's country, if it's food,
Excuse me?
if it's...
Oh, this is really hard.
Yeah.
Good luck.